Here's a 23 Corolla, 4-door. Okay, it's brand new, it's a 23. This one's actually a flip key. So I set the alarm, and I'm gonna reach in and pull the handle and see if the alarm goes off. Let's try it, guys. So this LED did have a factory alarm. Okay. Okay, so it did have a factory alarm. Next, I'm gonna lock it again, and this time use the door. See if the alarm goes off. I'm gonna give the alarm a little time to do its thing before I try opening the door with the key and see if there's a key override on this 23 Corolla. Okay, I'm gonna try with the Corolla Cross also. This is Ray. Just working on these new cars, trying to figure it out. How I can tell which one has factory alarm and which ones don't. Do they have active alarms? Follow me. Here we go. Let's try to open it with the door now. Key in the door. Usually downwards. What happened here? Look, guys. Look. No override. Look. So this lock no longer turns off the car if the alarm is active. Okay? So next thing is, are we going to have CAN bus communication? I'll let you know in the next video. Thank you. This is Ray Ray.